my channel, The First of Friends, with me Ritisha. Today I am going to do my fourth and last experiment on properties of air to show that air expands on heating and contracts on cooling. So let's get started. So I am using a bottle with a balloon attached to its mouth and hot water. I am using an electric kettle to boil the water and ice cold water in a bowl. So I am going to put the bottle in the hot water. Wow, the balloon has inflated, which means the air inside the bottle has expanded. Now I am going to put it in cold water. The balloon has come down, which means the air has contracted. The conclusion for this experiment is the hot water heats up the air in the balloon. The air expands and moves into the balloon, inflating it. This proves that air expands on heating and contracts on cooling. So I hope you like this experiment. Subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment down below if you like it. Bye-bye friends.